Samsung's next major flagship device after the Galaxy S25 Ultra is here. Yes, our first ever real live look at the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is here, courtesy of OnLeaks based on the official CAD information. And right off the bat, I have to say, at long last, Samsung has finally given us what we really wanted. Let's start with the inner display. We're gonna get the largest inner screen on any foldable phone on the market, coming at 8.2 inches, which is a little bit larger than the screen we get on the Oppo Find N5. Not only that, it's once again going to be the only foldable with an under-screen camera, meaning we're gonna get a proper full screen main screen experience like always. On top of this, it's been reported that Samsung has massively improved the crease compared to the Fold 6 to the point where it's gonna be hard to notice that in most scenarios. I'm genuinely excited to see how good this main screen will be in real life, but I'm also equally excited about the new outer screen, which is finally wider than it has ever been on a foldable phone. The outer screen is said to be 11mm wider than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which means it's gonna be around the same screen as we see on a general smartphone display, which is a great news because we're finally gonna have a comfortable experience using the outer display, especially when using the third-party applications. As for the thickness, Galaxy Z Fold 7 is said to be about 9.5mm thick when it's folded, which is quite a drop from the 12.1mm thickness of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and when it's unfolded, it's said to be around 4.5mm. So while it is massively improved in terms of the thickness compared to the Fold 6, it's still not going to be the thinnest foldable phone on the market like the Oppo Find N5 or the Honor Magic V3. Also, quite shockingly, the Z Fold 7 is said to have the same 4400 mAh battery cell like the Galaxy Z Fold 6. So no battery change, just like what we have seen on the S25 series, but since Samsung is bringing the latest and the greatest Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, we're still bound to see better battery life as well as better performance. Still, I would have loved to see a proper big battery upgrade. Now, perhaps the best, most significant upgrade on this Fold 7 compared to all the generations combined is finally the new main camera sensor, which is said to be similar to that of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, coming at 200 megapixel sensor. We've seen how good the camera is on the S25 Ultra with even better photo performance as well as the video performance even when put up against the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So getting the same camera performance on the Z Fold 7 finally means that we're not gonna lose on Samsung's best camera performance. Other than that, we're still expecting the same 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens along with the 3x telephoto sensor. As for the software, we're likely going to see One UI 7.1 with even more Galaxy AI features coming in for the Fold 7 as well as the Flip 7. As for the release date, Samsung is likely going to follow the same pattern as last year, so likely mid-July of this year. So there we go, Samsung's most important flagship foldable after the Galaxy S25 Ultra is coming. This is the Fold 7 based on the official CAD info. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Has Samsung done enough, or do you think Samsung could have pushed things even further? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.